Hyundai Kona 2019, it's got the 2-litre engine, and when turning the steering wheel it presented with this noise. And in this video I'm going to share with you the cause of that fault. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to play a clip in full so you have a very good idea as to how the noise presented. Now listening to that when rocking the wheel back and over gave me a very clear indication as to where the noise was coming from. You could kind of hear it pinpoint down on the camera there, but it was very evident that it was coming from the steering column assembly. It was lower down than the steering wheel itself, so I didn't suspect it was up on the top side of that. And I advised the customer, who is a regular customer of ours, to bring it back to the dealership. It had 25,000 Ks on the clock and the vehicle should be covered under warranty. I have since found out that it was, and they fitted a new steering column assembly to fix that problem. Now in this case this isn't going to be a step-by-step guide, as we didn't have the repair done in our workshop, but I thought the information would be very useful to anyone that has that noise and is wondering where it's coming from. So I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.